Good morning everyone. Welcome to our ATS Brightspace video tutorial. In this video, we will cover how to create an assignment in ATS Brightspace. Let's get to it. Log into your Brightspace and select the desired course to create the assignment. Navigate to the module or submodule for the assignment location. Click on the blue button titled Upload Create. Select New Assignment from the drop-down list. Give the assignment a name by typing in the text box title Name. Enter a numerical value in the text box titled Score Out Of. Click on the In Grades menu to tie the assignment with Gradebook. Select Choose from the Grades from the drop-down menu. Select a grade category and click OK. This list will only be populated if the gradebook is set up according to the syllabi. Enter a due date. Once clicked in the text box titled Due Date, a date picker will appear, and pick the desired date and time. Attach a file or web link if it requires the students to view or read to complete the assignments by clicking on the gray bars buttons. Click on the File Upload button. Click on Upload. Browse to your desired file. Click Open and then Add. Click on Attach Web Link. Paste an URL. Give it a title. Click on Insert. Update the availability dates and conditions section to make the assignments available for a specific period. The start date must be before the due date, and the end date must be after the due date. Expand Submission and Completion section. Click on the submission type and select Text Submission from the drop-down list to accept text only as a submission from the students. The student will be able to upload a file, including audio and video, if submission type is set to File Submission. Select the Only Most Recent Submission is Kept radio button. Write instructions for the students needs to follow. Make sure to include the submission file type, how many submission is allowed, and how many submissions the system will keep. Make sure to click on the visibility toggle button to make the assignment visible for the students. Click on the Save and Close button to complete the assignment. Let's check how will the students see this assignment. The student will have an option to upload a file, record an audio, or record a video. They also have the option to type something in. Once they click Submit, it will automatically submit for them. And this is how you can create an assignment in ATS Brightspace. As always, if you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact ATS IT. Thank you.